Hare Krishna. How can we understand that we are not the mind? The mind is the inner screen, whereas we are the inner seer. If we consider a software system, a computer system, the mind is like the software, we are the user, and the body is like the hardware. So we can do a simple thought exercise to understand how we are different from our mind. Suppose we close our eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Now, with the eyes closed, we can see something on our inner screen. It may just be some hazy pattern of lights. It may be the food that we want to eat soon. It may be our bed where we want to sleep. It may be someone whom we love. And what we see inside also keeps changing. Now, as you're observing various things on the inner screen, try to take a step back and observe who is observing that inner screen. You can see varying images, a stream of images going on the inner screen, and there is someone who is observing that. So try to step back and observe that person. No matter how much we step back, the observer steps back with us, because we are the observer. So this observer is we. The observer is the soul. And what is observed internally is the screen, which is the mind. So when we see, what happens? You can open your eyes now by taking one deep breath. So now, when you are looking outwards, say we see something, maybe there is a wall with a scene on it. So there is an outer scene, the inner screen, and the inner seer. So the outer scene is what is seen by the senses. The inner screen is where it appears. And then it is seen by the inner seer. And sometimes when there is no outer scene because the eyes are closed, at that time there is only the inner screen. And the image on the inner screen doesn't come from the outer scene, it comes from whatever thoughts are going on in the mind. So by understanding that the inner seer is different from the inner screen, we can understand that we are different from our mind. Thank you. Hare Krishna.